Are you a homeowner in the South Shore of Massachusetts? Have you noticed your property taxes skyrocketing the past few years? If so, this video is for you. Today we'll discuss the reasons behind the increase and what steps you can take to fight back. If you don't know who I am Susana Murphy with ALANTE Real Estate. In 2013, I founded a boutique brokerage with a big heart that has helped over 1,000 families relocate, sell, or buy in the South Shore and Cape Cod here in Massachusetts. Why are your property taxes skyrocketing? You get taxed based on your property tax assessment, amongst other things, and property tax assessments are based on property values. In 2022, like 2021, property values increased significantly in all areas in the South Shore. For example, as you can see in this chart, we have Scituate with a 13.75% appreciation in 2022, Hingham at 11.11%, and Plymouth at 15%. If your assessment went up due to your home value going up, then so have your taxes most likely. When looking at the different property tax rates, starting from the lowest to the highest here in 2023, for some of the towns in the South Shore, we can see that they range from $10 per thousand in Hingham all the way up to $16.62 per thousand in Norwell. Now, so what can you do about it? Number one, check the town records annually, as the property gets assessed and taxed on that information. Your tax card or field card shows what the town has on record for your home and what they are using to base their assessment on. Realtors use the field card all the time to evaluate properties, so call your realtor and ask them to pull yours for you and verify that all the information in it is correct. I cannot tell you how many times we get calls to conduct a market evaluation on a property, and when we look at the field card, we discover that the square footage the town has on record is much larger, or they have a home as a 4-bedroom home when it truly is only 3 bedrooms. So be sure to take your time to check what you're being assessed on. These discrepancies may bring your assessment higher, and therefore you may be paying higher taxes than you should have. Property taxes pay for local services like schools, police, emergency services, parks, and more, which might make paying higher property taxes worth your while. Also, higher taxes or higher tax rates might translate into a better school district, which for many young families is a major deciding point when buying a new home. However, if you don't use some of the services your real estate taxes are allocated for, you might want to consider moving to a lower tax rate town to save some money. Number two, good news, you can abate your taxes. As much as 30 to 60% of properties in the United States are actually overassessed. This means that millions of homeowners are actually paying too much for their property taxes. What is an abatement? An abatement is a reduction in your property taxes. You can submit an application by mail and in person. The deadline to file a fiscal year for 2024 real estate tax abatement application is actually February 1st, 2024, starting on January 1st, 2024. And don't worry, even if you successfully abate your taxes, which you can do annually, it won't affect the value of your home when you go to sell it. That will still be based off the market and what you can convince someone to pay for your home. Lastly, you can also check out what property tax exemptions you might be eligible for to lower your tax bill. Most towns have several exemptions available, including a senior citizen exemption, veterans exemption, and an exemption for persons with disabilities. Don't forget that you may deduct a portion of your local property taxes deducts up to $10,000 from your yearly federal tax bill, and please consult your trusted CPA for more information on this. Rising property taxes can be a significant burden for homeowners, but it's essential to stay informed and take action when necessary. I hope that you found this information helpful. If you did, feel free to share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips. My team and I would love to be your resource here in the South Shore and Cape Cod. If you're looking to buy or sell, you can reach me directly at Susana@ALANTErealestate.com. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.